Alright guys, I got these new tubing cutters. They're BlackMax by CPS. I found them on Amazon in a pack of 3. I misplaced the smallest one already. So I have this pipe here that's warped. I've kind of messed with it a little bit to show you how it works. And you're just gonna put it on there, and it has a level there that you match up for soft or hard, and then you're just gonna rotate it. And it cuts itself. That's you know, irregular pipe there. But yeah, these are the BlackMax by CPS, and this one is the one that I really enjoy using. I already used it on some installs that we did. This one I'm still getting used to. It has the same line up there that you want to, when you put the pipe in, it has the springs there. This one has a spring there, and they work really good. I found these on Amazon. I'll leave a link. It was in a pack because usually they sell them separate. And I'm gonna start using these from now on. So hope you enjoyed.